Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Lush Kitchen box for April. No idea what's in here. Let's get into it and check it out. If you are a Lushie like me, this box just makes me smile. I cannot wait to see what's in here. Lush is a UK brand, so this does get slightly expensive because it ships from the UK. So it's $35 plus $14.95 shipping, but it comes from the UK, and actually the things I just said dollars are pounds. So it's 35 pounds, $14.95 pounds. So by the time you convert it to dollars and ship it, and then if you, like me, your credit card charges you a couple dollars a month just because they're letting you do international stuff. It comes out at about $69, between $69 and $70 usually. All but I think 1 month I've been really close to that or just over it. Last month, not so much. But I have loved everything I used out of that box. And what Lush Kitchen does is they whip up each month based on what people vote for, new products, old products, retired products, things that aren't available in the shops, and they do it fresh. They have the little stickers on it that show the date it was made. It actually shows who it was made by, when they expire, and it's based on our voting. I have yet to go out and vote because there's no because. I have no reason. I get the little email every month that says go over, sign into your account and vote, and I always think, yeah, I'll get my password in a little bit and I'll work that out, and then I don't. But I'm always super happy with what I get. What I can smell coming out of this one is very floral. So enough talking, let's get into it. I will try and let you know as we go along the closest I can get to the value of the products in the box. The thing is, they're all retired. So generally I can't just go out and find the prices anyway. So if it's a lotion, I get the closest I can with the lotions, like products that are like sizes and like ingredients, that kind of thing. Last month was a very earthy one. A lot of people were not as thrilled with that one as I was. I loved it. We'll get it open. We have right on top our paperwork that will tell us basically just the ingredients of what is in here, and this is how it ships. These you just put water on them and they go right away. They're completely eco-friendly. All right, very floral. I would say maybe geranium. We usually have 5 products, so let's just start digging for them. All right, right off the top, I have a jar. It is, oh, Dreamy Candy. This is a body lotion. I remember this. The sweet life awaits with candy floss and vanilla scents to lift you up and carry you away. See, this one was made by Ben on March 16th, 2022, and they say that it's best used by May 16th, 2023. That is what it looks like. And generally speaking, we get the 100-gram pots in here. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's kind of lavender. Oh, it smells so good. It smells, I don't want to say cotton candy because it is sweet. Do not get me wrong, it is sweet, but it's not Snow Fairy sweet. Do you guys know from Snow Fairy? Snow Fairy is, I mean, it's a punch in the face in a good way because, you know, of sweetness. This is not quite that sweet. It's very good though. It absolutely smells of candy. Well, they call it candy floss. That's what we call cotton candy. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand because I can't stay out of it. I love Lush. That smells good. I would absolutely wear this. Sometimes when I'm thinking, I have the Snow Fairy in a full body spray. I mean, I've had it in other products too, but that's what I have now. And sometimes when I reach for it to spray myself, I think, do I really want to smell that sweet today? But this one, I don't think is going to give me that same pause. It's very sweet, but in a more grown-up way. It smells very good. It left my hand nicely moisturized. We'll see how it absorbs. And the ingredients in this that are the fun ingredients are orange flower water, which is the first ingredient, almond oil, glycerin, fair trade organic cocoa butter, organic jojoba oil, organic Ipsy butter, I'm not sure what that is, vanilla absolute, and then other stuff. But I like that very much. We're off to a good start. We're digging, we're digging. Oh, I have an egg. Oh, so Easter. Our theme must be Easter. How cute is that? I hope it comes across. It looks kind of like a sky. It's blue, but it's shiny. Not that the sky is shiny, I realize. And it has what looks like white fluffy clouds in it. Oh, it smells good. What is that? Oh, it's lovely. I will try and let you know here if I can find on the internet in somebody's old post or blog what they say this smells like. Oh, but I can tell you it smells like fantastic. Let's see what we can glean from the paperwork. This is called the Imperial Egg. And the oils in it are eucalyptus oil. I absolutely cannot even begin to smell eucalyptus. Lemongrass. I smell lemongrass. Peppermint oil. I feel like I'm so bad at this. I don't know. Those are the only two oils, and then it says perfume, but I get neither eucalyptus nor peppermint from this. So I clearly can't be trusted. Okay, and just for the record, and I've said this in past videos, this can be one awesome bath. Just drop it in there and it will bubble, 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 and you'll have lovely colors and lovely scents. You can also do that with half of this. They're almost all like that because of the way they're placed together. And half of one, unless you have a really, like if you have one of those spa tubs, half of one is almost always enough to have a quite lovely bath. Next out, we have, digging for these. That is so cute. Oh, this one's earthier. I don't know what it smells like. Let's see what it is. This is a bubble bar. I would have guessed that. That's so cute. And it has perfume in it, but they say bergamot oil, Sicilian lemon oil, violet leaf, gardenia extract, and then other things. Vegan dark chocolate? Oh, I bet his eyes. Ooh. Interesting. I might pop those out before I do it. I'm sure it's fine. I might pop them out before I do it. And this is another one, just like all the others, where I say you can use the whole thing and it'll give you the nicest, bubbliest bath, but you can also break that thing in half and have two very nice baths. I don't know if I'm just missing all of the scents today, or the way they're blended, it makes them smell like something else entirely. But I don't get that. I mean, gardenia, you would think, that must be floral. It's not. It's just quite lovely. How cute is he? I'm going to feel so bad crushing his little face into bubbles. Okay, next out. Oh my goodness. Get it out gently. I don't want to hurt anything. Okay. I'm sorry. How cute is that? That smells like honey, I wash the kids. I have told you guys in the past, that is one of my absolute favorite scents that Lush does, and this is absolutely what that smells like. It's a reusable bubble bar. How would you reuse it? I mean, I guess maybe you can put it under the tub and let it, and then stand it to dry and do it again. And I will let you know here, because it's not going to tell me on this paperwork if I'm right about the scent. But I think I'd go to the mattresses over this one. I'm pretty sure it's Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. I always want to say shrunk. Honey, I Washed the Kids. Bubble Bar, The Mum. It has sea salt in it. Perfume, gardenia, no. Brazilian orange oil, bergamot oil, marshmallow root powder. Yeah, I don't know. It smells like Honey, I Washed the Kids. If you like that scent, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Yeah, I just want to keep playing with it. What I believe will be last but not least, oh, I just sent peanuts flying everywhere. Last but not least, oh, we got a 250 gram one. This is the big one. I think this alone, no, I don't want to guess. I do kind of want to guess $24.95 maybe. This is Purple Carrot's Kitchen Exclusive Shower Gel. Fizzy, zesty lathers to help you spring into life with Sicilian lemon, bergamot, and buchu oils. Purple Carrot Infusion, bergamot oil, I said all this, buchu oil, Sicilian lemon. I feel like a repeat. I think probably. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that's nice. What is that? I mean, I get what it is. I just read it twice. But you know, once you've blended it all, it has a very familiar scent. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is, but I like it very much. And I also like that it's purple, so when I put it on my, it's gonna be so pretty. That smells fresh. It smells fresh. I smell the citrus. I smell a little bit of green, which I would guess is the carrots. So pretty. See how pretty and purple it is? All right, love Lush. This is another one that I'm kind of worried about getting near that $69. I love these products. This is maybe $24.95, and if I were guessing, this one is probably $11, so that's $35 right there. But I don't think two bubble bars Well, you know what? I was gonna say, I don't think that 2 bubble bars and a bath bomb are gonna get to $30, but they might, because they can be close to $10 each. I still think I'm gonna come up short this season, but I love it. So what's the value of that? Let's put a value on that, because at some point I'm gonna have to decide if I wanna keep getting this, because I could take that same $70 and go to Lush and buy things that I know I love. That said, I love all of these things and I will use them all. Okay, that is this month's Lush Kitchen, which is just a box that they put together from like retired type products. These are items that you cannot buy in store, and I love it. I feel slightly apologetic for it because it's so expensive, but I love it. So here we are. All right, guys. Oh, my lights. Oh, nope, just one. My lights went out too. Must mean it's time to be done. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you're having a fantastic spring. I hear it's gonna be warm for the rest of this week, so I'm super excited about that. And I hope I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. It helps us out there in the algorithms. And have a great day, guys. Bye.